everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I got a pretty good video for you guys. I'm going to take my STI to go get dynoed. I'm actually heading over to NISFest today, and they're doing like a mobile dyno thing. So I bought a pass for that, so we're going to see what the STI puts down. There's nothing done to this car other than a K&N intake filter, so which I don't think will do much of a difference. But we'll see what the car actually puts down stock, and then we'll have a nice baseline to see any other modifications I do to it. We'll keep dynoing it, tuning it, and this is the 2019, which I believe it's different from the previous models. I think this one comes with the Type RA block, which is supposed to be a little better. I don't know too much about this car, so I'm willing to learn. If you guys can drop some knowledge in the comments and let me know. Also, let me know what you guys think the car is going to put down. Is it going to be over 250 to the wheels, or is it going to be under? How much torque? I don't even really know what these put down to the wheels and torque. But yeah, I guess we'll find out in a bit. So I'm heading over, and I'll see you guys when I'm there. All right, I'm at the event now. I'm not really gonna vlog the event. It's not really what I do, but yeah, I'm first in line for the dyno at Irwindale. So we'll see. I'll pick it up when the car's on the dyno. See you guys in a bit. All right, we're getting strapped down right now. So dyno should be up in a couple of minutes. Alright, the dyno is done, and the car made 251 horsepower and it made 285 torque. Again, this is with stock STI 2019. He said this is from a 4th gear pool. We did two pools, and the second pool was heat soaked pretty bad. The car made 190 horsepower, and I don't remember the torque, but it's in the other video I posted, which has a different angle of this. I'll put a link to it somewhere on the screen. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please leave it a like, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'm starting to be a little more active on those two. It's shift_1320 on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks for watching, guys.